Namaste. On behalf of Team Pioneers, I welcome you all to our new project, Hospitally. Today, I'll be introducing you to the features of our web app. So, Hospitally is a very user-friendly web app, convenient to both public as well as to the hospitals. To begin with, this is the homepage, as you can see. So, here you can enter your city. So, I'll go with Bhubaneswar and I'll submit. I'll be having the list of hospitals. So let's check hospital number 1. So here is the number of beds available for different departments. Let's say COVID beds, beds in gynecology, cardiology department. Further down here, we can have all the enlisted doctors available in the hospital. So where you can book an appointment. So when you click this request an appointment option, the app will take you to the page where you can fill in your details and choose some date and time of your choice, thus getting you a confirmed and hassle-free appointment. So here we have a chatbot integrated with Telegram to answer all your queries related to COVID-19. So clicking here will directly link to the Telegram. So as I have already installed Telegram in my desktop, I'll be having this chatbot Hospitally, as you can see. So let's start some conversation with a hi. So if I'll ask something about COVID-19, it will be giving me some details. If I'll ask something of symptoms, it will be giving some symptoms. If I'll asking for some prevention, so if I'll be asking something like, am I infected or not? It will be giving me some options. So let's say I click yes. So it's asking me to consult some doctors. So I'll be asking, how can I consult? So it will be giving me the link where I take to the Hospitally homepage. So this is all about the user end interface of Hospitally. So now let's see how this Hospitally helps in the hospital management. On clicking this management page, we are directed to the login page. Each hospitals with some hospital management can have their unique ID and password. So let me enter mine. So let's log in. So as you can see, here we are having the list of all the beds for different department. So we have the option to increase or decrease the number of beds according to the availability. So let's decrease the COVID bed to 38. And we can also add some new bed category. So let me add bed category like ICU, and I'll be adding some beds for say 5 beds. As you can see, ICU is added, and let me add some 5 beds. Yes. So this is all about the bed tracking system. So now let's see about the IoT based saline monitoring system. So before going to this system in Hospitally, let's see how this system works. So basically this is a hardware project, but since due to this pandemic, we could not demonstrate you the hardware. We can just illustrate through image. So as you can see that in this image, we'll be having a saline bottle attached to a load cell. And this load cell is then connected to a HX711 weight sensor, which is then connected to the Arduino microcontroller. The Arduino microcontroller is then connected with the buzzer and this GSM module, which will be useful for alerting system. So basically the principle is, as the weight of the saline bottle decreases to a threshold value, the load cell will detect its weight, and it will be sending some information to Arduino, and an alert will be sent through buzzer and as well as to the GSM module, where an alert, let's say some call or some notifications like text or message will be sent to the doctors or nurse respective numbers, so that they will be having information about that the saline status is discharged, and they will be monitoring the saline status directly through the web page. So let's see how it helps. So let's say I will be having some bed number message through bed number 21. So let me enter bed number 21 here. So as you can see, this bed number 21 status is giving me on. So here if I'm having a system like off clicking, so if I'll click off, so the status will be off. So basically it will be sending the alert to the Arduino, which is then connected to a servo motor where the knob will be controlled through on or off through this web app directly. So this is all about the Hospitally web app. Thank you.